calls. System calls provided an interface to the service made available by an operating system. These calls are generally available as a routine written in C and C++ also. System calls are used writing a simple program to read and data from one file and copy them to another file. The first input that program will need is a sum of two files, the input files and output files. These names can be specified many ways depending on operating system design. One approach for the programming to ask the user for names of the two files. In interactive system, this approach will require a sequence of system calls. First to write a formatting message on the screen, and then to read from the keyboard the character and define the two files. Mouse based and icon based system menu of the file's names is usually displayed in window. The user can then use to mouse to select the resource name, and window can open for the destination name to be specified. This sequence requires many input-output system. Calls. Most of programming languages provide a system calls interface that service link to system calls made available by the operating system. The system call interface intercept function call in the application program and invoke the necessary system calls within the operating system. Typically, a number is associated with each system calls, and the system call interfaces maintain the table index according to these numbers. The system call interface then invoke or intent system calls in the operating system kernel and return the status of the system call and any return value. The caller need to know nothing about how the system call is implemented or what it does during execution. Rather, it just need to obey the API and understand what the operating system will do as a result of the execution of the system. Type of system calls. First is a process control, second is a file management, third is device management, fourth is information maintenance, and fifth is communication. In process control is about load, execute, create a process, terminate a process, get the process attributes, set a process attribute, wait for time, wait for event, signal event, allocate and remembering. Another is file management. File management in also create a file, delete a file, open a file, close file, read, write, repo positions, get file attribute and set file attribute. And another device management. In device management, request a device, release a device, read, write repositions, get device attribute, set device attributes, logically attach or detach a device. Information maintenance. Another is get the time or date, set a time or date, get system data, set system data, get process file or device attribute, set a process file or device attribute. Another is communication system calls, create, delete communication connection, send, receive message, transfer status information, attach or detach remote devices.